Welcome to our tutorial on bypassing FRP lock using DroidKit. The FRP is enabled automatically when a Google account has been registered on the device. If your device has been factory reset when Google account has been logged in, this will trigger the FRP lock. Don't worry, in this video, we will guide you through the process of bypassing the FRP lock on your Android device using DroidKit. Please launch DroidKit on your computer and choose FRP bypass mode. Take Samsung phone running Android version 13 for an example. Please be noted the device data will be erased when using this function. Make sure to connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable. If your device is detected, click Start button to proceed to the next step. DroidKit will start preparing the configuration file for your device. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Then, please click Start a Bypass button. The boot screen varies from Android version. DroidKit provides 5 boot screen views for reference for Samsung device model, and you can choose the right system version and device model according to the screen display image. Then, please click the Next button. Go back to your phone home page and follow the instructions on the app screen to complete the corresponding settings. Click Emergency Call option to enter the call page. Enter #0# to go to factory mode. Choose to allow USB debugging from the computer from the pop-up. It is bypassing the FRP lock. The FRP lock is removed successfully, and your phone will restart. You can enjoy your phone now.